Hello friends, welcome to the channel IT Simplified. I hope you're having a good time with your family and friends. In today's video on Azure, I'm here to show you how to deploy a SQL database in Azure portal with Azure endpoint, and we'll be trying to access that SQL database through a machine which doesn't have access to the internet. So let's get started. From my Azure portal, I'm going to do a search for SQL database. Go and click on Add. And deploy this in a resource group. I already have one. Give the name for my database. We'll have to create a server. Give it a name. We'll deploy in our location. And we can specify what kind of compute power we want. For this demonstration, I'll keep it to basic. That should do the job for us. Go to networking, and this is the important step. So as you can see, that private endpoint is in preview. So we'll pick this and create a private endpoint. Give it a name. Target sub-resources, SQL Server. Deploy this in a virtual network. I already have a network. I'll pick that. It will create a private DNS zone 2 and click on OK. Go to additional settings. We'll leave those to the default. Review and create, and click on the create button. Welcome back. So you can see my database was deployed successfully, and if I go inside this, you can see that it's in online state, and I can also just copy this server name, and if I just type in private link, you should be able to see the private endpoint too, the one that we just created. Okay, so right over here. So that's all good. So let's do a bit of testing. I'm going to go to my machine. So this is the machine I have, and I don't have any internet on this machine. So just want to show you. See that I'm not able to reach the website. So there is no internet on this. So with that configured, let me try to access that database from this machine, because as you know that before the introduction of private endpoint, we either have to go through the service endpoint, and still the VM needs to land into the virtual network. So there was a public endpoint still, but this in this case should be all private. So just to prove, as I said, that I don't have any internet on this machine. So let me just put this server name and provide the credentials. Try to connect. And here you go. This is my database, and I'm able to all access this through my private endpoint with no internet on this specific machine. So in this video, we saw how to create a SQL database and create a private endpoint and access that database through a machine which doesn't have any access to the internet. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.